Well, I am on number 28, so I'm getting there.
There you go. That's awesome.
I'm not sure if any of this is correct, but I'm getting there.
Oh yeah, that's how I felt too.
Right? Like, I don't know.
How'd it go, Taylor? Did you finish?
It's going a little better. Got a few more.
Okay.
This is a longer quiz.
It is.
Yeah, it's a test review, so it's forever.
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah,
Where are you at, Taylor?
I got 4 more problems.
Yeah, I'm like,
Okay.
so I got 10 questions done after that. So I'm 28.
Okay, yeah, I'm on 29, so we're.
I'll do those ones with you because I got 30, 31, and 32 wrong. So.
Oh, okay. So yeah,
Yeah.
we'll work on them together
You
then.
want to do those? Yeah, I want to do those.
Yeah.
Let's see. I haven't even read the information yet. Just a second.
Okay.
It's in the main cost. Schedule.
So for 29,
Mm-hmm.
like the answer is it's a dependent samples test. But I was confused because I
Okay.
did that test. I did the match pair, like the dependent one. It was wrong, so I don't know what happened, but it's the dependent samples for 29.
Okay. Well, then
If you guys,
that helps move things along a little bit to Excel. We'll see how
Yeah.
that goes.
if you guys do those in Excel and see what you guys get, I don't know.
Okay.
Like,
The dependent samples test. Well, which I guess tab did you use in Excel? Did you use the paired sample t-test or 2 sample t-test?
I used the paired sample.
Because that's what I was leaning towards with that question.
Yeah. That's the only one that makes sense to me, but I guess, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I just did something wrong.
Well.
And maybe it is that one, but.
Yeah, I keep clicking on the wrong tabs, driving myself crazy. Okay, let's see. I don't want bone density anymore. I want. This is the direct flight, yeah? Well, and I think if I remember right, if you put like the wrong column, I guess you have the wrong samples and the wrong variable or whatever, just weird.
And I tried both ways, and the only thing it did was make it a negative, and so maybe that's what it was. Negative. But
Okay.
yeah, and we'll see.
Oh, yeah.
You would think variable 1 would be the 4. Let's see. I think I made that one the 14 days.
That's what I just did. Okay, so my key statistic is 1.685. Is that what you put?
The T,
Yeah.
and that's on, is that number 30?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put 1.657.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, so mine showed up as 1.685. Taylor, did you get the same thing?
Okay, did you
Yeah, I
put
got 1.685 on mine.
Huh, I don't know what's wrong with mine then. Is it like the confidence level 0.95
Look.
not equal to for the type of test?
No, my confidence interval is the lower one is negative 4.431. And then the higher one is 53.654.
Yeah, mine's different. I don't know why. That's weird. What one did you put in variable one? The 14 day or 90 day?
Actually, let me double check. I put the 14-day in variable one.
Okay. Well, that's what I did. So I don't know. Maybe. Mine's just like a little off from yours. So we'll do your guys's. That sounds.
Okay.
That's probably right. And so, 30 is what? 1.685.
685. I'm hoping that's correct.
Okay. No.
I hope so too.
And then,
And
with the P, I never get the p-value correct. So let me like. I just
not,
it's like my curse. I can never get it right. So I'm gonna reread the problem, make sure I have my equal to or less than or whatever it is. Because all it says there is a difference in the mean cost. So
yeah.
So it should just be not equal to.
Yeah.
Maybe. Well, my p-value then says 0.0956. So I guess if you round, it would be 0.096. You round up.
Okay. That's not what I got, so that sounds good to me.
Okay. And I really wish I was more confident in this class with my answers because
I know.
I just so am not.
Yeah, especially with the test. Like, I feel like it takes so long for one question.
Okay, and now 32. The conclusions of this test. Confidence interval is. Okay, Rebecca, what did you put on 32? Or did you get 32 right?
No, I got it wrong just because I got the problem wrong, but it's not the first one.
Okay.
So I went back and guessed that it was the second, but I didn't get the answers you guys got, so I don't know. Significance is 0.10, and our p-value was
0.096.
Be able to reject it. So
That's what I
there
thought.
should be sufficient evidence. It should be. I'm guessing it's the second one.
Okay. There's a difference in the mean.
There's an evidence.
Okay, so yeah, we'll put the second one. That sounds good to me. Okay, let me see how badly I did here.
Whatever.
That's so stressful. Okay. Margin of error, man. I'm telling you, I cannot get that correct if my life depended on it.
Oh, really?
I know, like it's the simplest formula, but
Yeah.
it's like my curse.
Hmm.
All right. Well, I'm not getting all of them wrong.
That's good.
Yeah.
Did you submit yours, Taylor?
Because wait, so the margin of error. So the
Yeah.
margin of error, it's upper bound, lower bound, then divided by 2. Is that correct?
Yeah, upper bound minus the lower
Minus the lower bound, then divide by 2. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I submitted mine.
bound. Okay.
Mm.
What did you guys put on the third one? Was it?
I got it
I mean,
wrong.
on
I put the second
Yeah,
one.
I got the third one wrong too. I put B on number 2.
That's what I put. Sorry, number 3? Number 2?
Number 3 I meant. Number 3 I
Yeah, I
put
put
B.
B on 3 too, and I got it wrong.
Yeah, I put the first one and got it wrong. And my guess was when I went back is that it was the third one, but do you guys
So
put?
we know it's not no.
Yeah, so my guess when I went back is it's the third one. But it's the only one that makes sense after that.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the fourth one or not because that's the central limit theorem. It doesn't seem
Yeah.
like it.
I feel like it was the third.
Well, good news. We got the last 29, 30, 31, and 32 correct.
Yep, we
Yay.
did.
Woohoo. Okay, that's good.
That's good.
But yeah. I did not do well. So let's see.
That's all right. Okay, let's just start at the beginning and go through ones that we missed. I had 3 wrong. I guess we all had 3 wrong. So I guess we'll go with the third one.
All right.
If you guys think that. That's what I was thinking. But
I got 4 wrong.
I got that one right. I'm surprised. Kind of surprised that I got any right. Okay. The second one was the second.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're thinking on the third one is third, right?
Yeah.
Or C?
Yeah.
All right.
That's my
Let's
guess.
find out. Okay, the fourth one.
And then
That's pretty good.
yeah, number 4 is the third or C or whatever you want
Mhm.
to say.
Yeah, I put A on the third one. I don't know why I put that.
It's kind of closely worded, to be honest.
Independent. Yeah, it's just independent. So.
It's,
And I, of course, got 6 wrong. Did anyone get 5 wrong? Can you go to there?
No, I got 5 right.
I got 5 right.
Got 4 and 5 right. 6, of course, was the margin of error question, which
I got that one wrong too, so I got 6 wrong.
So number 6, it's just 1.960. So it's just like you put it in the applet. It was stupid. I don't know why that's any different, but I think it didn't really give us enough information. So it's just the 95% confidence interval.
that kind of crap makes me so mad. Like, you don't give me
I know,
enough
it's-
information. And then you ask this question and I don't know it. Ugh.
It's like,
Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm going to probably rant a lot. Just
That's okay.
so you all are warned. It's gonna happen.
fine.
Third. Let's see.
Did you guys get 7 right?
Nope.
Yeah, I don't know if I put the right formula in for 6, 7, or 8 because
Yeah.
I got 7.
That's
I
fine.
got 7 and 8 wrong.
Let me try to remember how I did it.
Because like I put in the wrong formula and like it gave me different numbers, and I hate that because if you mess up on one formula, then you mess up on like the next 5 questions
Mm-hmm.
or 4 questions because you don't have the formula in the right place.
Yeah, because I messed up on the margin of error. I don't have the.
And
have it
yeah,
correct.
Yeah. So let me see where I did it. Okay. Mm. Okay. Okay, so for this one, the formula is like there's 2 different ones. It's x bar minus the z-score times the standard deviation
Over in.
over the square root of n, and then has a comma, then the same thing, x bar plus the z-score standard deviation over square root of n. And so
And
you'll do both of those, and one's the upper bound and one's the lower bound. Oh wait, yeah.
Yeah.
So that should be it.
Okay.
So it'll be 1,000 plus or minus 1.960, and then have 2 divided by the square root of 4.
The square root of 4 is 2, right?
Yes, I think so, yeah.
So you're 1. So 1 times 1.96 would be 1.96 plus 1,000. Am I thinking that correctly?
Wait, what?
Sorry, I'm thinking. Okay, so if 2 is divided by 2, that equals 1, and if you take 1 times 1.960, you're going to get 1.960 plus 1,000.
Let's see.
I want to think I'm doing that correctly.
Yeah, 1 second, let me do it again.
Plus 1.960. That would just be 1,001.96.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's the
I
answer.
got
That's
that right.
the one. Yeah, you did.
6. Okay. So that's the upper bound, right? Since that's adding.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is upper. And then
so like 1.196.
minus.
So it's 1,000. 1001.96. Are you getting how to do it, Taylor?
Yeah, I'm figuring it out right now.
So what did you have down for the formula?
Um,
And then the lower is 998.04.
Yep.
Awesome.
Woohoo. Good job.
Okay. Yeah, when you have the margin of error, a lot more things make sense here.
All right. For real.
Okay, I figured it out. So I got, let's see, 9 because that's the upper bound, right? 998.04.
Is the
The
lower.
lower bound, lower bound.
Mhm.
But do you get how to do it with the formula?
Because I've been doing it on Excel.
Okay, so this one you can't do in Excel, because it just you don't have like a data file for it. So, here, write down this. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
So for finding the upper or lower bound, you'll do x bar minus the z with little star, so it's the z score.
So 8
Um,
x bar minus z score.
Mhm.
yeah, times, and then I'll have the standard deviation divided by a square root of n. And so there's that one, and then the next one is the same thing, but it's just x bar plus the z.
Oh.
And so the one with the plus the z is going to be like the upper bound, and the one with the minus is the lower bound. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I missed 9.
Okay.
Um,
So
I can't remember. Like I remember going over this, but I can't remember where it was in like the book to find.
Oh yeah, I found this one randomly. Okay, so if you're trying to find a number, a specific number, let's see, what was it?
Mhm.
How large n should be. So
Right.
it says the estimate number of observations for a specific margin of error. So that's what it's about. So it's n equals parenthesis z score times the standard deviation over m, and m is the margin of error, and then to the power of 2 with a
Okay.
little 2.
So, is it m to the power of 2 or close parentheses power of 2?
It's close parentheses.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, so take the z score. So 0.
Did you get that, Taylor?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
Zero, 1. Okay, so what's the z-score on that? Is that the 0.95 only in like the applet? Just what?
Let me do it real quick. Let's see. Didn't write down that.
1 gram.
do it again,
Mhm.
I'm getting, when I do it again, I'm getting 0.0038416, but the answer I got before is just 38,416, and so I think I did something wrong the second time, but maybe I wrote something down.
I don't understand what the z-score is on that formula.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, let me do that again. 1 second.
yeah, like.
Okay, 1 second. I think I
Oh,
almost got it.
okay. Well, I got 38,416 for that
Yeah,
answer
I think
too.
yeah, this time I did it. I put the wrong margin of error. I just put 1, so that's what
Okay.
I put wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
416. So is that the answer to number 9 then? 38.
416.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I got it again. I
Okay,
didn't write that.
good.
And you get how that works, Taylor?
Yeah, because I got that one right. I
Alright,
was.
sweet.
It's 10. 10 I got wrong.
Okay. 10. Here's the last one. So the fourth answer.
See,
So
10
they're saying,
Yeah.
is they think that the square footage is more than the mean. So
yeah.
Oh, it's more than the mean.
yeah. Or sorry, yeah, they think that. Oh, sorry, not more, less. I think it's less than. They're thinking that 'cause it says
So the arrow pointing away from 1250.
no, like like I said, the alligator
Oh,
mouth
the alligator
towards 1250
pointing towards 1250.
because they think that the apartments are smaller than advertised, so smaller than the mean area, which is 1250.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
they think mu is smaller than 1250.
Sure, then 1250. That makes more sense.
And then the next one I got wrong is 14, so we have a couple of questions.
Okay. The next one I got wrong was 13.
Okay, let's see. Well,
Let's see.
13. Oh yeah,
So my guess was
type
the
1
second.
error. And honestly, I guessed on that one because the next question was talking about a type 2 error. And I got the
So
type 1 error correct.
So number 13's type 1?
Uh-huh.
That doesn't make sense to me. I guess
I
then it was
know.
type 2, because that's what it should be, because she. So type 1 error is a false positive, right? And a type 2 is a false negative.
That's negative.
And she had said that it was
She thought she had the answer, which is kind of like a false positive, because she actually was wrong. That makes sense.
So then you said it would be committed a type 1 error then?
Because she thought she had the answer correct.
Okay. Let's see.
And so she rejected the null hypothesis when actually she was wrong. The new treatment does not increase the mean survival time.
Oh, that makes sense.
Weird. I thought because it was like she had rejected it that it was a false negative because she had found that it was negative. I don't know. Maybe I was thinking of that weird. But okay. So it's type 1.
Yeah. Type 1.
I didn't think of that.
And then I got 14 wrong. Let me read the actual problem.
14 is the first one. I didn't find that in like the book somewhere, but
yeah, I got that one right.
Yeah, see, this is what I thought I put, but I guess Kelly.
yeah, I guess when you reduce committing a type 1, you increase committing a type 2.
Yeah.
And
I
it
knew
took me
that.
forever to find that in like the book. It took me forever.
Well, that's one of those little facts that I thought I remembered correctly, and I don't know why I put in the wrong one there. And then, of course, I got 15 wrong. Let's see.
I did too. I put the third one. What did you guys put?
I put the third one.
I put the third. Fail to reject.
Okay.
So maybe it's just a fourth. Maybe we're just rejecting it. I don't know.
Because we were close enough anyway. Fail to reject her. So
Oh yeah, because I think my answer for that one was, yeah, because I guess they were close enough. I was like, that's not a big enough difference, but I guess I was wrong.
Yeah.
Maybe we reject. Maybe it's the first one.
Reject or
reject. Oh, it can't be that one.
So maybe it's the last one, like you said.
Yeah, because you don't reject the alternative. You would.
Yeah, I was like, that doesn't make sense. So, yeah,
it has to be the fourth.
The last one.
Yeah. The other ones make sense.
Yeah, the other one doesn't make sense.
Oh, it looks like I got 16 wrong.
Okay, I got that one right.
Yeah, me too.
Let's look.
So they're going to be independent because they're not dependent on each other, if that makes sense. Like a
okay.
Not like a brother and sister thing, or like a husband and wife, like they used in the examples in the book and in the homework and stuff. These are independent of each other. It doesn't matter. The females are not the wives of the males or anything like that.
Because they're independent from each other.
Yeah, and it can be a nova because there's only 2 samples.
There's only 2 of them.
And it can't be a 1 sample because there's 2 samples.
Because there's like 2. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I guess I had to reread the question a little bit to do that. But that makes more sense though, because I put a nova, and I don't know why I put that.
Yeah. So if it's over 3 samples, then it's a nova. And do you guys have that page that like she sent to us in an email? It shows you like, what's it called? Of like how to figure out what group it's in or whatever. Do you guys have that?
That diagram or whatever. I don't have it pulled up, but I should look up.
Yeah, but I've been using that a lot, so that helps.
Does that help? Okay. I'll probably print that off and
use that.
put it on my note page for the test.
Yeah. Exam 2 flowchart. So that was awesome. I like that.
Okay. And 17 I got right.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I did too.
Awesome.
And 18 I got wrong.
I got wrong.
I did too.
I
So all of us-
where's the third one?
Okay, I put the second one.
Okay.
I put the second one.
Okay, so it's gotta be
My
first.
guess was again that it was the first, but I don't know. That was
Yeah, I
my
just thought the
guess.
standard deviation, looking at my like information, I thought it was known, but I was wrong. So
Yeah. I don't know. I can read it again. Let's see. Yeah, I guess would it be that? Because we don't know the standard deviation? I don't know.
I'm gonna put A for the first one. I mean,
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it has to be A or D. And that one seems to be more accurate.
Yeah. Okay. So,
and then I got 19 wrong because it's the margin of error.
Yeah, I got that one wrong too.
Of course it is. Like, yes. Okay, well, let me. I think I was trying to make it more complicated because knowing that 95% is just 1.96 for Z, I think I'm going to make it a lot easier all the way around
yeah.
rather than me making it more complicated. So it would, so 19 would just be 1.96, wouldn't it?
Nope.
No? Oh, come on. Okay.
So for this, I think they gave us other information. So let me look up again.
Oh, yeah, I guess it's in the Excel, huh? Okay.
Yeah. So you just use the Excel for that.
Okay. The dissolved organic carbon.
Yep.
Okay. Oh. Clear components. Okay, so
So yeah, you just find the lower, upper and lower bound in the Excel, and then you do the subtract it and divide by 2, and then it'll give it to you.
here's the plus. Dang it. Okay, so I have the confidence intervals correct on my Excel thing. So would the X bar be the mean of 13.195?
So what are you doing? Are you
I'm on 19, and I'm, figuring out what my X bar is.
So for this one, you just need to get the upper and lower bound, and then so you subtract the lower bound from the upper bound and divide by 2. And
I got 2.
Oh, see, this is why I have you guys around. Because I'm sure you just said that, but it didn't compute. Divide by 2. So come on. Okay, so I got negative 2.0245.
It's not
right?
negative.
It's
so
positive.
Is it positive?
It's just 2.025. Don't know if you had.
Yeah, if I rounded up. I think I did my 15 and 11. I just subtracted it in the wrong order on my calculator. So
Gotcha.
math.
Gotcha.
Okay, so that makes sense.
Okay. And so for your lower bound, did you get 11.168?
Yeah, I got the next problems just fine.
Okay, cool. I missed 22.
Yeah.
I got 22 right.
Is it the third one instead of the second? Okay, I had done the second, so
Okay.
makes more sense that it's independent. I think I had thought because they're both Hummers or whatever the price is that they were dependent for some reason, but yeah.
I got 23 correct.
What time is it?
I didn't, so I don't know. Oh, that's probably just because I did the wrong thing because I
So
thought it was dependent.
23. So
So 23.
Is it negative 423.238?
Yeah.
Okay, I had redone it because I just done it on the dependent instead of independent. So, and then 24 5,417.336.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Yay.
Okay, and then 25 I got right.
Yeah, me too.
How you doing, Taylor? You're kind of quiet. And 26, 27, 28 I got wrong, but the rest I got right. So.
Okay, I got those ones right. Taylor, I think, said his laptop died. So.
Oh no. Okay.
So he's gonna pull it back up.
Okay.
Let's see. Does that mean I'll try to do I have to re-invite him on the?
Yeah, you probably will.
Okay.
Test statistic. Okay, I guess I have to go back up and figure out what I'm doing here. Exercise bone density. So let's see. Okay, so I have all of that. The test statistic. Okay, I think I put because I'm in ANOVA for this one,
Yeah.
and I think I put just the F, which isn't correct
Gotcha,
for the t-test statistic here. So
okay.
sorry, just realized my dog's still outside. So. Come in. Okay. So, do you know off the top of your head, the formula for t statistic? I just don't want to look it up. I'm being lazy.
Let's see.
Can because it's close to the Z, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm wondering if the t statistic just has like the square root of n with it. Is that the difference or no? I don't know.
Trying to.
For this one, you should just be able to put them in the ANOVA though, right? You don't have to find that.
Well, that's what I thought. They don't have a t statistic plot in the ANOVA. They have F. They don't have.
I think it is just F. Sorry.
And it's not F because that's what I put in the first time and I got it wrong.
What did you get for 26 at first?
Yeah, for 26 I put in F, so I got 6.437. It's wrong.
Okay, so what I put down the F. Let's see.
Hey, could you guys hear me now?
Yay,
Yeah.
Taylor's back. Yeah.
Yeah, my laptop died in the
Sorry.
middle of the conversation.
Okay.
What did you guys get so far in the? So, did you guys get 22? Right?
Yes.
Let me see. Let's get back to the quiz real quick.
Okay.
So I'll try redoing this again and see if I get.
Yeah, see if you can figure out what it is.
What test is it? No.
Oh, it's
The
the exercise bone density.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So yeah, let me do it one more time.
Okay. And then Taylor, you said you needed help on 22?
Yeah, I'm gonna get to it real quick because it logged me out of everything.
Of course.
Because it died in the middle of it. Which ones have you guys got done so far?
We're down to 26.
26.
Yeah, we got through those, so but we're trying to figure out 26. But I can help you with these questions while Rebecca tries to figure out what T is.
Okay. I am just about there then.
Okay.
All right. All right, so I'm back.
Okay.
So 22. Yeah, I got that one wrong. I was kind of confused on that one.
Okay, so let's talk about the different types of confidence intervals for the used Hummers.
Okay.
Okay, so both the prices of the Hummers from like LA and New York are completely independent from each other. So one of them does not depend on the other in terms of how much they cost. So
Kind of like that analogy you showed me a few seconds ago, a few minutes ago.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's going to be the difference of means using independent samples. So it's going to be the third one.
Because they're independent from each other.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
How'd you do on 23?
So I got 23 and 24 right. I think
Okay.
25 is, I didn't get that one wrong, right, at all.
Okay, so this is the exercise bone density Excel. Wanting to know, what kind of hypothesis test it is.
Mm-hmm.
And it's ANOVA because you're taking 3 different samples. And so
Oh, so we're taking more than because if it
more
was
than
2
2,
samples,
if you're taking more than 2,
then it's always a NOVA.
yeah, it's going to be ANOVA. And now we're working on 26. We're trying to figure out what the T statistic is, which doesn't make sense for ANOVA. So I don't know.
Yeah, because I got 26 wrong.
So did I.
So
Okay, so
let's see.
Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out what I did.
yeah,
I
don't have any idea.
Okay.
Let me look through my notes real fast, see if I can find something that might resemble what we're going through here. Okay, might have found something. Hold on.
Yeah, it might be in lesson 9. 1 second.
Lesson 9.
Let's see.
Okay, so I found something in lesson 12 that might help me get to the book.
Okay, this one might just be.
Oh, and one more thing I got wrong before the previous question that I forgot to ask about is number 2. I got that one wrong.
Okay.
This is following the questions for station.
Let me go back up to 2 real fast. Okay, so given a 90% confidence interval, which of the following is the best interpretation of the confidence interval? So they've got their upper and lower bound. So we are 90% confident that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105.
So it'd be B.
Yeah.
Okay, I put C. There's a 90% chance that the simple mean heart rate is between.
It's close.
Yeah, it's super close to it, but it's. Okay, that makes sense. I hate the questions are like super close, similar to each other, but they're not the same.
It's really kind of annoying.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so bless you.
Oh, that was my roommate.
Oh, I'm not looking. Yeah, I thought maybe it was Rebecca because it was kind of faded off a little bit.
Oh.
I'm not looking at your guys' pictures, so. Your roommate, bless you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to take the difference mean and let's see. I'm not sure what that is on here yet. Okay, so differences.
Yeah, I'm struggling. You'd think I know how to do it. I don't even remember like having a problem with this question. No, I can't even remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, okay, so in lesson 12, it's talking about, you know, finding the t with all of this. And so you find the difference mean, which is the d with the line over it,
Mm-hmm.
and you subtract that from something. Just a second.
Okay.
You subtract that from 0. Why? Why do I subtract that from 0? Just a second. Post minus pre. Well, see, like this is for 2 sample means. So I don't understand why ANOVA. I don't understand this question. It doesn't make any sense. Because
Yeah, I remember
ANOVA is
doing that
more
too.
than just 2 variables, and how to figure out t, you just use 2 variables.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna lose my sanity in this class, I swear.
I know. Me too.
For real.
Okay, so we have ins, variances.
Okay, let me see.
Lame. Okay. Okay, so maybe we just have to find the differences between all 3 of those variables. Which I'm not sure how you do, since you're just supposed to take 2 numbers and subtract them.
Because the answer is really big. The answer is 7,978.
Okay.
Let's see. So mean.
This is like super frustrating.
Yes.
What was the big number you said you just got, Rebecca?
It's
What?
7978.
Okay.
7978. Yeah, that's the answer to 26. But I can't figure out how I got that, which is stupid.
Well, like the means and variances and stuff they're pretty large numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So it might not be completely. Well, they're in their hundreds though, not in the thousands.
Yeah.
Yeah, since I only have 26, 27, and 28 wrong, these are like the last ones for me. And they all kind of depend on each other.
Mm.
Yeah, I didn't get 27, 28 too.
Okay, so well let's go to 27 and maybe we're just completely off the mark altogether. I got the p-value wrong. Did you guys get the p-value wrong?
Yeah.
I got it right.
Oh, you got it right.
What'd you put?
Yeah, it's 0.002, which is not what I got right now. Right now I have 0.003.
Okay.
I'm wondering if sometimes like my Excel files, if I mess something up on them, maybe I should just re-download it or something. I don't know.
I've had to do that where I'm just like, I need to start over.
Yeah, I'm just wondering.
Hmm.
But yeah, that's the answer.
0.003.
2
2.
2.
for 27.
And
Yeah, that's
then
not what I have at all. So I don't know.
28 is the third one. There's insufficient evidence.
Yeah, because if the p-value is 0.002, then
Yeah. Well,
I don't know. To me, I'm like, it's one. Yes, I don't understand that. Okay. I'm just gonna put in your large number and see where it goes
Mm-hmm.
because I've got nothing else to go on at
sounds
this
good.
point.
Yeah, I'm just gonna submit it.
Yeah.
See how it goes.
Yeah, I'm too clueless to go any
Yeah.
further on that anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's right, 5.
Oh, cool. I only missed 2.
Oh, okay.
Not bad.
Yeah, 26 is wrong.
Huh.
And
So it's not 7 on. Yeah, it's
then 26 and 28 I got wrong. But those are the only 2 I got wrong. So
nice.
There you go.
that's a much better score than I got the first time, so I'll take it.
Yay, I know, right?
It's a lot better.
Okay, cool. Well,
Awesome. Well,
Sweet.
thanks for your guys' help. I know that this stuff takes forever.
Yeah, thanks so much.
yeah, have a good day, you guys.
Good luck
You
on the
too.
exam.
What's
Thank you.
that?
You too.
See you guys.
Awesome. Thank you. See ya.